All right, if you're like an 80s kid, maybe 90s, you're going to understand this. So we're going to build this exact replica of the diorama of Mike Tyson. Now, it's not what you think it's going to be, a flat base surface. We're going to make it a little bit spun. We're going to put some little pizzazz and work some magic out. So I hope you guys stick around and enjoy the show, and make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and let's get the show going. All right, I had to stop what I was doing and started with something new. So I got this image from Mike Tyson Punch Out. If you guys seen it, somebody recreate this, and of course you could get it into. But I asked the system to description transform this image cartoon into a 3D, and look what it did. It looks incredible. I just it just looks amazing. So I like what it's doing. Uh, this is crazy. It just did amazing. So I really like that. So we're gonna try to see if we could recreate is this exact scene without the M, of course. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna try to dissect the system itself. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and take this project to a whole new level. And on this one, we're gonna call it Little Mac. We're gonna call it Little Mac because we're gonna concentrate on him, right? First, Little Mac. Little Little Mac. Hit it enter. And then what I want to do is we're gonna open in paint because I'm gonna concentrate on paint. And oh my god, this thing's came out. I don't know what to tell you, but this thing came out really good. Squeeze them here. And then we are gonna squeeze them more. And then we're gonna get the top, of course. The whole thing is just incredible. It's just really incredible. Like that. So we're gonna call this a Little Mac. We're gonna save it. All right, on the Mike Tyson first, we're gonna do design. All right, the designer. It is free. Like I said, it's free. You don't have to pay for anything. We're gonna try to remove the background. Remove background. It might not remove everybody. See, I told you, it not might remove that, but it did remove the rest of the people in the back. So we're gonna keep this one. We're gonna see if we could auto enhance. All right. Oh, that's actually pretty good. Yes, accept. I like that one. So we're gonna erase this guy. Ooh, erase that, erase that, erase that, erase that, erase. So we're gonna see if we can erase this one, all right? And then we're gonna see if we could erase some more. Oh, there it is. It fixed it. A little bit fixed. So we are gonna keep this one. And once we let it do its magic, this came out really good. I am very impressed with it. So let's see. Oh, it got rid of it. Now let's go ahead and can we get rid of some? No, we can't. Okay, so we go back, remove the background. Let's see if it works now. Okay. Shadow, it might understand it. That's perfect. So we got that one. We're gonna save this one. All right, we're gonna save this one into save a copy. Of course, we're gonna call it M Mario M Ref 2 M2 and save image to 3D. So we are gonna drag Mike Tyson in there, and I'm gonna see if I can enhance him a little bit better. So because I'm gonna drag Mike Tyson the first time doing this one, I'm not gonna add any other enhancements. We're gonna see if it could recreate this, right? If it could recreate the legs, even if it's like this format and it looks like it's a 3D image, but it's actually shorter, we might even take them because I'm planning to put them on a picture frame. So let's enhance this one. Let's go ahead and generate this one. 20 in 1 minute. We'll come back. I rush back because I see something and it kind of looks exactly how I want it. I hope it has the right angle. So let's bring this over forward and let's see how it looks. Oh, oh. I think I'm gonna cut his foot just a little bit in the bottom or twist it because it looks like, well, I can work with this. This is pretty, this is good. This is really good. Oh my God, this is incredible. Okay, I like it. I'm going to keep it. All right, the most anticipated one, and I think it's going to be easy to do this one. I hope it is. It is. Mind blowing. I mean, I'm speechless. I am speechless. So I think I'm gonna get rid of him, this part right here first, and then do him by himself. But we're gonna keep both because we want to keep two separate files. That's what we're gonna do, right? So we're gonna. This is incredible. So I'm not even gonna fix him. I could try 3 more times. I'm not. I like this one. So we're gonna keep this one. I'm gonna fix a couple of things. I don't know why he has dots, to be honest with you. So might fix those two. Might. And then look at this. They give you the stands for the stands. I, I don't know who works here that's doing this kind of magic. So let's try another one. Let's try the last one. All right, let's see what it produced. And do we have a winner? Yeah, we got a winner. I like it. I don't know what it does in the bottom, but it just produces some sort of symbols. But I am impressed. I'm not even going to fix this one. So we're going to keep it as is because in the real game, you can't even tell the actual character. And here, you can actually see the entire thing that I created. I just am super impressed how I created from to an image. Look at that. So it created this character, this scene flawlessly. So we are going to see if we could set them up in a side angle. And I did find a couple of things on Bamboo Labs, all right? On Bamboo Slicer Studios. There was a couple scenes I did like because I don't want to recreate the background completely. And I say, hey, you know, there's someone out there has created this. And I was right. Somebody did create it, but they did not create what I'm doing right now. This guy, these two guys right here. And they didn't separate the file. Control Z, Control Z. And that's one thing that I wish they had just removed them and print them on the side, because I gotta get rid of it. I gotta completely get rid of this part, and we're gonna see if we can do that. All right, we managed to remove it, but I can still see the line there. So we're gonna see if we can work with that, and we're gonna print this out. So we need 3 colors. All right, so we're gonna fix Mario. So let's go ahead and fix Mario because we're gonna separate these 2 files. So we're gonna go ahead and separate them. See, but right now we're not gonna print this together. Plus, I want to paint this too. So we're gonna go ahead and delete this one, and we'll save it by himself. So how you do it is just simple, right? You figure your own programs. But I'm gonna use this one. So we're gonna delete that one. Got rid of that one. Now we're gonna get rid of these dots. I don't know why they have the dots for, but stuff. But it's okay. So we got rid of it. Oh, actually, no, not yet. We'll fix it right now. Get rid of the whole thing. It's okay. It's gonna cover it up. Trust me. So here's the other one. Thank you. You know what to do next? We're gonna repair it. So analyze, inspect, and then we auto repair. Look at that. Can't even see it that well, but it fixed it. This one came really good. So we're good with this one. We're going to export this one. And the reason is that I'm going to try to see if I can paste them to the top. Let me bring the other file too that we just created. So we're going to go and say plus. We're going to go to downloads. And I just recreated this one. So we're going to put it in here. Say import it. And this is the only one that has color. But the thing is, I got to fit everybody in there. So that's the only reason I brought it in. So we can see exactly what we're going to do, right? We like that part right there. That looks incredible. All right. We're not done yet. We're not done yet. So let me see side view profile. Oh, that's everybody. This guy's going to have to go a little bit lower. We could touch the back and there's... That's good. That's good. I want him to touch... Oops. Maybe I should move him to the bottom. Do that. So while we have this, we're going to click here, go to paint, black, drip here. I can't do the whole thing. Shoot, it won't let me do the whole thing. It just, I'm going to have to do brick, brick, brick. Let me see if I can. No, I wish I could just drop it in here and it'd be easier. I don't want to paint it. I'm just going to leave it as is so it could run faster. All right, as much as I wanted to do the actual figures in different colors, I'm gonna have to paint them in black because when the bottom the system starts doing different colors in a silhouette, and it's not picking up very good. So we're gonna change the color to solid black. I completed the actual setup already. Now, what I'm gonna do is just provide the 3 characters. That's pretty much it. We're gonna provide this one and these 2, and then of course the take hand. So this is gonna be for dioramas, and we're not gonna provide the background. The background you're gonna have to find it yourself and make it yourself because there's a lot of places you can find it. I'm not gonna set it up. I'm just gonna print them out and give you a little understanding because I tried to print this out a couple of times and it failed, to be honest with you. This is not the right color, but I'm just showing you guys. So the background itself didn't print out very good. I'm still gonna work on it. I think I'm gonna do it from scratch. I started already programming in a different one. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about in the video here. And I was able to recreate some of the iconic stuff. So I might just do this in a different format. Now, I am going to print out the background in 3D Max, make it a little larger, maybe frame it. And I am going to try to see if I could fit these guys all in the same frame, right? So it's going to be a basic setup that we're going to set here and set up the tone of it. But if you guys are interested and you want to see the final product, I'm going to show you. Let's go ahead and do that. But if you guys like these files, then I'm gonna put them here in the diorama membership only. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right. So let me explain. I printed this out, and this is an existing. You can find it at Maker World. Right. I was able to remove Tyson and also Little Mac from the middle, but look at this. It didn't print out really good, and I tried it a couple of times. I think I might have to change the filament maybe or try something different. But this is what I got. Now, let me show you to the main thing, all right? First of all, I want to introduce you to Tyson. And look at this. I actually cut them out and passed through the actual plate on purpose so I could paste them in here, or I'm going to put magnets on it. But I'm going to make this a lot bigger, of course. And I'm just going to demo here. From a perspective, from this perspective, you got Tyson on the floor. All right. Now, Little Mac did not work out very good because I had to make him a little larger because every time I print him small, it kept messing up. So here's Little Mac. I did slice him in the back so it could be flattened out. And I'm going to put him right here so you guys can see your perspective. All right. Try not to move the camera. Try not to move everything. And Little Mac in there. Mario! I put him in here. I cut him up, sliced him, and he came out extremely, really good. I am very impressed with this guy. And I am going to paint him. That's why I paint him in black and white. So we're going to put him in here. All right. And you know what? I was off on the shoes, but that's how it is in the game. So I'm going to keep it real, dude. And then, TKO, all right? TKO, the cloud base. Look at that. Now, if you don't think it's crazy enough that AI is here to stay, this is just going to give you a little demo. Now, I am going to stretch this out a little taller. Maybe add magnets. Put them this in the fridge. Put this in the fridge as a magnet system that you could put it in there. And this is crazy. I'm also going to do different boxers maybe. But I am super impressed with this. This guy came out the first time I did it. After I tried different times, it didn't do good. The first one was the greatest one. And I really like. I was going to change his shoes, you know, but the shoes are accurate. Now, they're a little longer. I just had to squeeze them in to cut them out. But at the end of the day, each character came out fabulous, flawless too. Little Mac,
And Little Mac looked exactly like Little Mac. I was gonna do Little Mac swinging away, knocking Mike Tyson on one of the, but that'll be another video. So, but this, look at this. Cut them out. I have the full version. I'm gonna give you guys the full version. I'm not gonna, you know, you guys decide what to do with them, but I'm just giving you ideas. And look at this guy. Oh my God, of what to do next for your art projects. And like I said, this is for educational purposes, not for intended for sales or distribute. All right. I am not responsible for what the file does after this. Please keep in conscious that, you know, this belongs to other companies and it's only for reference and it's only for educational purposes. And I hope you guys keep enjoying these videos and make sure you hit that like and subscribe, and I'll keep bringing stuff like this. And I have a list of things to show you. I just can't show them all at once. We're going to try to show you as much as I can. But if you like retro stuff like I do, old school stuff, new stuff, this is the right channel for you. Please subscribe, hit the like, and share this. And also, if you want to become members and own this stuff, you know what to do. I hope you guys enjoy this video.